Pag ang tao, warrior, yung bukas, yung future is a problem. Can you imagine what kind of life you will have when the future is considered a problem? Instead of parang gift, nabubuksan mo pa lang, hindi mo alam kung anong laman, excited ka because the future comes from God. And if the gift comes from God, you can be very sure that it's going to be wonderful. Pero pag nalibang, nagpadala sa takot, the future is something to worry about. And the Jesus solution to this is prioritize God's kingdom. Prioritize God's rule. So kung i-reduce natin into questions, paano ako sasagana? Prioritize God's kingdom. Kasi ang kasaganaan can be objective, nabibilang, talagang halaga, or subjective. Kung paano ka nag-enjoy kahit gaano kakulang yan sa tingin ng iba, masagana ka. So yung prosperity is subjective and objective. But Jesus is talking about subjective prosperity. Kung gaano ka nag-enjoy, ano man ang meron ka. Kasi hindi guarantee na pag marami kang tinatangkilik ay mag-enjoy ka na nga.